Hi, my name is Jamie Udd, and for close to 10 years now I've been working with schools all over the United States to help them tackle the pervasive problem of bullying. A lot of times when I'm working with young people to end the problem of bullying in our schools, I hear a lack of hope or a lack of optimism. I hear there's just no way that I ever could get a majority of our school on board with being respectful and with building a culture of civility. And it's a really common concern. But that concern is working from one flawed assumption, that it takes a majority of the population to realize social change. A culture of civility's model for bullying prevention is based on a theory that argues it's rarely, if ever, a majority of a population that has to be on board with an idea or supporting and acting for a specific cause in order for that idea or that cause to create social change. That theory is called critical mass, and it argues that there's a certain percentage of a population, the critical mass, that must be on board with an idea or vocally supporting a cause before the rest of the population begins to see that idea or cause as mainstream enough or socially acceptable enough that they kind of come over to that side. So let's say that you're trying to tackle the problem of bullying in your school. Well, critical mass theory suggests that there's a certain percentage, likely between 15 and 35% of your student body, where if that percentage of the student body is standing up and vocally supporting inclusive environments and standing up against bullying, then a tremendous social change will automatically happen seemingly overnight. Once you reach that critical mass number, there will be enough people who will start to see that idea or that cause as being the social norm or normal, that they'll come over to your side simply so they don't stand out and seem weird. And then, almost without realizing it, you'll have a majority of people on your side. Then all you have to do is work on that stubborn minority. And it seems like, again, very quickly, you're going to have a massive change in the culture within your school community. Now, this is not just some crap that I made up. It's actually been used, this theory has been used to describe all sorts of dramatic shifts in public opinion in the United States, like when there was a dramatic shift in public opinion around the 1964 Civil Rights Act, or to describe more modern examples like the shifts in public opinion around marijuana legalization and gay marriage that we've seen in the United States in the last few years. So here's my point. If you want to change your school, whether it's to end the problem of bullying or something else, don't focus on bringing a majority over to your side. Instead, just focus on that idea, that critical mass number, that percentage of your population that has to be with you, that has to be vocally supporting your cause or your idea, because that is what's going to transform your community. And there's a tremendous amount of hope in that, to realize that no, you don't have to get everybody over onto your side. If you can just bring over that critical mass, then seemingly overnight, you can transform your school community for the better. So I hope you'll take that idea and go out there and make some positive social change in your communities. Thanks.